Hey, it's Walter here from the Daily Trader at fxjake.com. And what I want to do now is I want to show you a system which is called the First Touch. And you can get the ebook for the First Touch. It's just below this video here. You can download it. Okay? But let me go over how it works. Essentially, what I'm waiting for is a spot on the chart where the price is repeatedly reversed. And we have one. Well, we have two actually. We have one up here at 65.89, and we have one down here at 61.85. You can see the market's just recently reversed here, there, it held there. So we find support and resistance there. This is what we need. Now what I want to see is I want to see the market break out of this area here at 1.6589 or this area here. So I'm going to advance the chart here one candlestick at a time. I'm in Forex Tester where I do my testing. That looks pretty good actually. That looks like a... Oh, no, it doesn't look so good. I thought it was going to break out, but it just printed a bearish candle. We need to see it either trade higher than 65.89 or lower than 61.85, and then we can possibly get a first touch like that. Okay, so the market's fallen through support here at 1.6185 on the pound daily chart. This is all the way back in September 2011. Okay, so it's going, okay, that's really good. So it's trading lower. Now what I want to do for the first touch is I want to trade the market once it gets back up to this level here. It hasn't been there, right? So I want to trade it off the first time that it comes back up there and touches it. It's important that it breaks through very solidly. In other words, it needs to close much further from the zone, and it clearly does. The zone is at 61.85. The closing price on this candle was 60.69. So that was definitely lower. Okay, now we're finding some support down here at this zone. Okay, now if it gets back up there, we have an opportunity to trade it. Let's see. Needs to get really, really close to the... I mean, it doesn't have to actually touch the line, but obviously these are fat zones. It needs to, like that. Okay. All right, so I'm willing to take it as it is right here. I'm going to sell this, right? I'm going to put my stop loss all the way on the other side of it. And I'm going to put my take profit all the way down here at the first zone. So I'm essentially risking how many pips? I'm risking about 180 pips, and I'm looking to make 590. So that's pretty good reward to risk. That's pretty good reward to risk ratio. So I'm going to hit the sell. Let's see what happens here. Okay, that's good. We're in 85 pips of profit now. I want to see it come all the way down. Another bearish candle. That's good. That's a really good sign. Maybe a double top here. So it looks pretty good. Uh-oh. Okay. Here we go. Now you can see we're in kind of some choppy area here with, support, resistance, support. So that's why it's going to chop around here. Oh, here we go. And there we are. Profit. Sweet profit right there. So that's how the first touch trade works. First touch trade is where you have a strong zone. Clearly we had support here, resistance, support, and then it fell through. It must break through it with a really strong candle, which is what we had right here. Really nice candle where it closed much further away from the zone. And then it's got to go away for a while. Ideally it'll go away for 10, 20, 30 or more candles. You don't want to see it come back immediately. You really want to see it come back after some time. And in this case, you can see it actually took how long since the breakout? It took 48 days for it to get back there. And that's pretty common. I want to see at least 20, 30 candles. You can take one with 10 or 15 candles, but for me, I prefer the ones where it's gone away from the level for some time. And it comes back, and it's amazing how it remembers. There you go. There's the first touch trade, and we'll be looking at these live in the market. So keep your eyes peeled for them. They work on any time frame, and I'll definitely be looking for these in the future. I wish you, until the next video, very happy trading.